What's up, everyone? This is Wayne here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl RCA20 hand push washer. Now, it probably will use next weekend, I guess, because one thing, because I do like this push washer. I know it's still got water still coming out in this AC because, I mean, you think about it. I mean, you can see this is a pretty nice looking pressure washer in my opinion. I do kind of like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this thing is. I mean, this thing got used since 2 days ago now. And that's because you can see how much expected this thing is being quite a lot used in the scene a lot because you see how much expected this thing is which, but don't it's surprising this thing is being used almost like quite a bit of times because you see how much expected this thing is. Now this came out in 2024 last year, it was released in November, which I know is because you see how much expected the GG26 is the same. It's kind of like the same like the about name, which not exactly how much we expected this thing is, which is pretty much what we expected this thing. It is in the lock now because we're not using it. It's has to stay locked because otherwise it would just, that's how much we expected this thing exactly, which it's not really expected this machine exactly, but I do like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this thing exactly, which it's definitely exactly you can see because you can see how much expected. But I do like this thing a lot because you can see it's got you just twist in the clock into place. You can see it because you know how expected this thing exactly, which it's definitely how much we expected this machine exactly, but I mean you think about it, you try to think of something else a little bit because you see how much I expected that I like this push washer. Which I hope at some point this thing will be used next weekend. If you have time, but this is a very nice looking push washer.